for detention and the basis for detention. So, what is the law and what is the crime that I committed? Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty. There's naman doon blooper, puro pagdating sa trial dyan, tatawagin kita sa witness stand. Sabihin ko, you're the person who arrested me. May I know the reason why? Have you read the documents? Or at least have you read the case at that time when you made the arrest? So that you would be guided to what you should know. Yan na lang yan. Kung kaibigan tayo, galing ako gobyerno.
People general naman kayo. Alam mo naman na hindi man lang siya na-serve kung anong kaso pinacharge sa kanya ngayon. Hindi niya alam. No?
Kahit na PI man lang.
Alam mo, ang charge sa kanya nasa dyaryo lang. And then, hindi pa kayo na, ganito ginagawa natin. Sumusunod tayo sa isang entity na hindi na tayo member. Nag-withdraw na tayo. And yet, sir, you are the Prosecutor General. You know how to exercise due process. Before you can even file charges, you have to file a complaint. We have to file a counter affidavit. Without doing those procedural process, here we are, being issued a warrant of arrest, questionable warrant of arrest. Ano naman to, sir? Sir.